Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a negative mindset with Mindset, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by acknowledging your negative feelings. Recognize that it's okay to experience negativity. Identify the triggers of your negative thoughts. Write down what specifically brings you down. Challenge these negative thoughts by questioning their validity. Ask yourself if there is evidence to support these beliefs. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Create a list of affirmations that resonate with you. Practice these affirmations daily, ideally in front of a mirror. Surround yourself with positive influences. Limit your exposure to negative people and toxic environments. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit. Find hobbies or interests that bring you joy. Incorporate daily mindfulness practices. Spend a few minutes each day meditating or practicing deep breathing. Set small, achievable goals to restore your sense of accomplishment. Celebrate each success, no matter how small. Maintain a gratitude journal to shift your focus. Write down 3 things you are thankful for each day. Seek professional support if needed. Consider talking to a therapist or counselor. Practice self-compassion during your recovery journey. Acknowledge that change takes time and effort. Reassess your mindset regularly. Be mindful of your thoughts and feelings as you progress. Cultivate resilience by embracing challenges as opportunities. Recognize that setbacks are part of growth. Stay committed to your journey towards a positive mindset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.